Let's eat! Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Incognito. Today on the menu, we're going to be making pizza waffles. So these are all the ingredients that you're going to be needing. We're going to need waffle or pancake batter. We're going to need some mozzarella cheese, yummy yummy. We're going to need some pepperoni, yummy yummy. And we're going to need some pizza sauce. And of course, your waffle maker. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to make it easier for myself by pouring my waffle batter into a measuring cup that has a little spout to pour out. Feel free to use a bag, like a piping bag, or whatever you choose to use. You can even use a spoon. I'm going to spray my pan with some cooking spray so that my waffles do not stick. I'm going to go ahead and pour my batter in. Now I did get a little bit crazy and the batter was leaking over the sides, but not too much. So be sure not to put too much batter in your waffle maker. And we're going to go ahead and close it up and wait for the green light to come on. Ooh, look golden and brown. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take our waffles out of our waffle maker so we can get started with dressing our waffles with some yummy pizza toppings. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start with our pizza sauce first. Go ahead and put on your pizza sauce. You don't need too much. Next up, it's our mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and sprinkle on some cheese. Now feel free to put whatever toppings you would like on your pizza. I'm just making the basic pepperoni pizza, but you can do whatever toppings you like. And this is something easy for your kids as well. Family night, or you can make it a breakfast thing, make it a breakfast pizza. Go for it. So now that my pepperonis are on, we're going to sprinkle on a little bit more cheese. And then we're going to go to the next step, which is baking our waffle pizza. Alright, we're going to put our pizzas in the oven on 375 to 380 for about 5 to 7 minutes. Please be sure to check it at 5 minutes, depending on your oven. And we're going to go ahead and cut into this yummy, yummy dish. I'm excited to try this. Good. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for more yummy videos.